this lovely space in here. I had the pleasure of working in this afternoon with a group of 6 people to do an introduction to 5 Elements of Voicework workshop, and really enjoy being in this space. It's really comfortable and inviting, and it's a little safe haven in the south side of Glasgow. So appreciating that this space is on my doorstep and is only 10 minutes away. So more to come here, I think. And something that's also emerged out of today's session is that there is an interest or a demand for more regular sessions of some form. At the moment, I've been hosting these workshops in a kind of intensive 3-hour block, which is ample time to explore the framework and the foundations of the 5 elements approach and give some space and exploration to discussion on voice and getting some feedback and learning about other people's conceptualizations of sound and what people identify with as being important or crucial to the expression of their true voice. So every session I do is an amazing opportunity for me to learn as well, and to understand where people are coming from, and that there are similar themes and questions that do come up in relation to problems that people are facing in their approaches to uninhibited expression, in confidence development, in a creative space, having blocks or barriers there that are in some way limiting that sense of, oh, can I play here? Is it safe for me to explore here? So the 5 elements approach is really about equipping people with the tools and skill set to be able to go into that space in their own way, and whatever stage of the journey they're at, if they've never done voice work, if they've never done body work, it doesn't matter. There are different route ways into this work, and the aim is to find that balance and harmony between these different strands of the physiological, the psychological, the social, emotional and spiritual facets. So yeah, it's nice for me to be in that space with others and get some more feedback and some more ideas about how things can develop in terms of future offerings, in-person offerings. So yeah, please keep an eye on this page for updates, and if there are people who are interested in engaging with this work in a non-physical digital space, that is also an area which some time needs to be dedicated towards, to create some more tangible learning resources that can easily be shared through that medium. But as to one-to-one sessions and working over Zoom, that is something that I have done before and is comfortable to do. So if you feel that this work is of interest, my approach is of interest, but there's a barrier of distance for whatever reason, then just know that the digital door is also open, and I'm happy to hold space in that area as well. So yeah, more to come, and enjoying being in that flow space with others. So looking forward to the next one watch this space. Not quite sure when it's going to be yet, but yeah, stay tuned.